Marco, you're going to have to go and see him today. 30 plus ladies, Louise Abbott in this one, leading it through. Helen Biggs, when she's not waving dumbbells around in the hotel gym, she's in there in 2. Superhuman strength from Helen Biggs. There's no stopping her, 3 shredded wheat and everything in the morning. .45 plus cruiser. Maidment's in there in that 3 spot, but it's Moore, O'Brien, Lake George and Ginge, Kev Brown, Chris Madron, Simon Turner, David Morton in that one as well. Moto 191 is on track now. Neil Holtz in there in the 2 spot, chasing down Michael Goff. Craig Robertson in there in 3. Stevie Noble and Christoph Levesque of the North East, he's in there in 4. Eddie Warner in 5. Matthew Griffin and Stephen Needham in there as well. That was Moto 191. Moto 192. Keith Stuffle, Shale.